Hello all and welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well. This is going to be a quick fire Hbar update as it's all beginning to unfold at a rapid pace. We can see here 𝗟𝗓𝗏, the 𝗟𝗏𝗡𝗏 on Twitter saying the step function is incoming. Next week you'll see a large influx of transactions that will be going to the mainnet. It was testing on testnet at 5,000 transactions per second for hours, and I think that was only a partial rollout. Watch the Hedera Hashcast from here and here. Yada yada. Anyway, so the Flying Gazelle also expects to test 20 to 25 million transactions per day in the next couple of weeks to test the Dovu official staking mechanism. This is the beginning of the step function starting to ramp up on Hedera as we see these transactions flow through onto the mainnet from the testnet. And this begins to explain some of the use cases that we saw the testnet stress testing in the past. For those of you who don't know what Dovu is, it's a carbon credit tokenization system. So carbon credits or carbon trading is the act of effectively buying and selling credits that permit a company or another entity to emit a certain amount of carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases. The carbon credits and the carbon trade are authorized by governments with the goal of gradually reducing overall carbon emissions and mitigating their contribution to climate change. So what this effectively enables is the governments to offset the negative externalities of producing carbon. So a carbon credit in this case represents the right to emit a measured amount of carbon. Normally I think it's 1 ton. Carbon credits work as a certification that businesses or individuals owning them can counterbalance the emissions of the greenhouse gases that they produce. There's also a market for these carbon credits and they can be traded and exchanged between businesses and individuals, and that is where Dovu comes in. It effectively tokenizes these carbon credits and enables them to be exchanged at effectively no cost, or a Hedera cost effectively, to help offset these negative externalities. On Dovu's roadmap, we can also see that Q1 2022 is when it's all happening. So the carbon onboarding allowed Dovu to onboard farms onto our carbon network at scale. The carbon market beta, a new redesign for our carbon market to cement the tone for us years to come, as well as highly requested features such as TFA, quick purchase, filtering, and seamless linking with our tools and ecosystem. And what's happening at the moment is staking. So you bridged your tokens to Hedera. What's next? Earn Dovu to utilize on the market through a brand new staking platform inbuilt into the marketplace, whilst retaining full control and custody of your tokens. Cool stuff. So again, as previously mentioned, Dovu here is actually, I think it's partially owned as well by Jaguar Land Rover, the automotive company, but landowners, companies, nations, and even individuals can use Dovu, powered by Hedera Hashgraph, to issue and exchange carbon credits in real time to support the reduction of their carbon footprint, enabling a more sustainable future for everyone. Dovu ensures greater trust for anyone looking to invest in and receive updates on carbon offsetting projects, whilst ensuring fast, fair, and secure issuance and exchange of tokenized carbon credits. By using Hedera, Dovu sees greater customer adoption, retention, and satisfaction, with inherent trust between platform users increasing the propensity to participate in their carbon credit marketplace. Absolutely massive use case in general, and it's fantastic that it's built on top of Hashgraph. This introduction of the new staking platform on the TPS is going to start kickstarting Hedera's the transaction on Hedera's network, and the step function is beginning to go live. Absolutely mental news for Hedera and Hbar. We'll see how this continues to play out. I will continue to release news on this as it develops further. Big news for the project in general. Anyway guys, cheers for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, a like, and subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos. More coming soon. Cheers guys.